Points, miles, cash back, it's all fun. It can add up quickly, but credit card debt can too. And new at 4, Channel 2 consumer advisor Clark Howard explains why choosing a card based on the interest rate and not necessarily the rewards may make the most sense.
I'm repeatedly asked about reward credit cards and if you should get one and are they really great? And the reality is only if you pay your balances in full every month. If you're running a balance on credit cards or you think you might, reward cards are terrible because they have some of the highest interest rates on unpaid balances of any cards out there. The big thing for you to concentrate on if you're running balances is not whatever reward, focus only on the interest rate. One thing you should know about that, credit unions typically have the lowest interest rates on credit cards, usually 40% lower interest rates on average than what you'd have from a bank. It's not unusual for a credit union credit card to have an interest rate at 10% or below. I'm Clark Howard.